What is up, Dramalet Nation? This is your host, Killer Keemstar, and let's get right into the news. Up first, we have a story about a theory that there is a connected universe between many masterpiece shows and some shitty shows. Masterpieces such as Redo of Healer and garbage like Berserk. So it's a really interesting theory, and it has a lot of basis on which it is built. So let's just get straight into it. All right. So the continuity. Wait, no, I should explain what the theory is first. The theory is that there is a connected universe between many shows. The shows are Redo of Healer, Berserk, Interspecies Reviewers, Goblin Slayer, and Big Mouth. so let's just get straight into it. So this connected universe starts off with, what does it start off with? Fuck. It starts off with, fuck. I've already forgotten. Shit. What were the shows again? It starts off with Redo of Healer. Okay. Starts off with Redo of Healer. Now, how do we know this is connected to everything else? So let's say Redo of Healer and Berserk. They are the most closely connected. Because in Berserk, there is actually a character's son. Okay, there is a son. There is that guy who raped Kiaru. His son is Donovan, who inherits his genetic, hereditary rape fetish and then goes on to rape Guts. This is a very cool connection that I personally made. So, and there's way more connections, such as, like, there's women in Berserk, there's women in Redo of Healer. There's shows such as One Piece that don't have any women. You see, this is just connecting it even further. I feel like it's very unlikely that these two, at least, are not connected. So the continuity starts off with Redo of Healer, and then we'll move on to Goblin Slayer. Okay, Goblin Slayer is in that weird period of time. Actually, no, it's not Goblin Slayer. Fuck. Wait, what was it? It was Berserk. Yeah, it was Berserk. It was Berserk. Right, so we move on to Berserk. Now, I've already explained why these two are quite heavily connected, but the main event in the universe that happens now is the eclipse, because Griffith just, like, is cringing gay. So that happens, and there's loads of fucking monsters now, and that's when we hop on the trend to Goblin Slayer. And how do we know that Goblin Slayer and the other previous things are connected? In Goblin Slayer, there are monsters, such as goblins. Now, I have not watched Goblin Slayer. I've only watched a small clip of it, and it was very hot, and I beat my 4mm defeater to it many, many times. It was a great clip. I think you might know which one I'm talking about. But in a clip, a woman is raped by a goblin. Not very cool at all. Not cool behavior from the goblin there. But we're gonna pull a rice gun and say that it felt pretty goddamn good. So everyone, this is when we move on to interspecies reviewers. She's like the pioneer of the fucking monster girl brothels. She's like, yeah, this shit felt fucking good, bro. Like, looking back on it, shit went hard. So there's just monster brothels everywhere, and everyone starts fucking these monsters left, right, and center, bro. So then we move on to Big Mouth. Now, you might be thinking, how the fuck does Big Mouth tie into this? Well, there's only one explanation for the people in Big Mouth, is that they are cross monster human hybrids from interspecies reviewers, where everyone's just fucking the monsters. They are like hybrids of like half monster, half person. And why does this make sense? Because they're so fucking ugly. So that was supposed to be the end of the video, but I forgot to ask the viewer to like. So like the video. If you thought it was really funny, send it to like your fucking boyfriend, because I know you're a little faggot. Send it. Comment if you think there's something wrong with the theory, and I'll tell you why you're wrong, or if you want to expand upon it. So yeah, have a nice day.